Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare silica gel for column chromatography. First, choose the appropriate silica gel, often with a particle size of 40 to 63 micrometers, for optimal separation. Next, ensure all your glassware, including the column itself, is meticulously clean and completely dry. This prevents contamination and ensures proper packing. Finally, prepare your chosen solvents, typically a nonpolar and a polar one, which will be used to create your slurry and elute your compounds. Now, let's prepare the silica slurry. Carefully weigh out the exact amount of silica gel needed for your column, considering the sample size and desired separation. Then, add a small volume of your less polar solvent to the weighed silica. This solvent should be one of the components of your mobile phase. Stir the mixture vigorously until you achieve a smooth, homogeneous slurry, free of any lumps. This consistency is crucial for even packing. With your slurry ready, it's time to pack the column. First, fill your chromatography column with the less polar solvent, ensuring no air bubbles are trapped at the bottom. This creates a cushion for the silica. Next, carefully and slowly pour the prepared silica slurry into the solvent-filled column. Allow the silica to settle under gravity. Gently tap the sides of the column to help the silica pack evenly and to dislodge any remaining air bubbles. Once packed, add a thin, protective layer of clean sand on top of the silica bed. This prevents disturbance when you add your sample and solvents. Carefully load your dissolved sample onto this sand layer, ensuring it spreads evenly. Then, begin eluting with your chosen solvent system, maintaining a consistent flow rate. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Monitor the separation closely to collect your desired fractions.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.